Hi, Brooklyn. I just wanted to answer some of your questions and, discuss. Uh, so we both answered number two, but we took it kind of in different directions. You had talked about some of the alternative models of time that like allow us to look at paradoxes a different way. Um, and while I had said something similar to something you had said, which was the parallel universe, I talked about Loki and the TVA and how Loki allows, like at the end of the series, spoilers, he allows the timeline to then branch into multiple universes, and that they're like multiple separate universes that can like change and coexist alongside each other. And then you were also talking about the block universe theory, which I think is interesting, where you said the past, present, future exist simultaneously. I think it's an interesting take, but that they challenge our understanding of cause and effect. That also, goes along with the film. And then you also answered number three, which was his identity. I understand and I agree with everything you said, but also I just wanted to add that you say something, and I'm trying to find it in your question. Sorry. John's identity is subjective to the nature of identity and the importance that he lived through, and his experiences shape his identity. And I think that's absolutely true, because as John goes throughout his life, and he goes from then Jane transitioning to John and all that stuff, once he realizes that like he's talking to his future self, or like once he realizes he's the one who has to then like take his baby self to the orphanage, he kind of realizes that he's like trying to remember everything that he did to his younger self, if that makes any sense. Like as he was older and he like was talking to his younger self in the bar, he knew that he had to do everything the exact same way. So then he tries to keep doing it the same way because he knows it's a loop. Once he figures that out, he knows that his identity is shaped through his knowledge that of his past and his future. Like he knows that it's a loop, and he knows that he has to keep doing the same things over and over again. Also, you did a very good job of answering number five, which was if individuals are responsible for their actions. I think that's definitely true, because especially with the film, John, since we know that he becomes the Fizzle Bomber in the end, and he is responsible for his actions, he also had the choice to and I just realized this, he has the choice to change the loop. Like he could have stopped the loop by not killing the Fizzle Bomber, but he kept it going because he killed the Fizzle Bomber. And so then he is responsible for his own action of killing his future self, but then he's also responsible for stopping himself from killing all those innocent lives that future Fizzle Bomber himself thought that he was saving by continuously stopping crimes from happening. But anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you in class. Bye.